So you want to let your viewers share media on your stream? Well, here's how you do that. Hey guys, I'm OwenLord83, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the media share on your stream. And so, first off, like normal, we're going to be on the Streamlabs OBS dashboard. So this is on your browser, so you just want to put in streamlabs.com/dashboard, and then it will send you in here. Then you want to come over to all widgets, and then we're going to follow through to media share. Now, when you first open media share, it will look a bit like this, and you've got all your settings. So obviously you've got your things like these. You can change your price per second, how much people are allowed to pay for this and stuff like that. I would recommend having a subscriber one, so it's basically just less, but this is all personal preference. And then what you want to do is you want to click enable, and then you want to go on here, so next, and then what you can do is you want to come over to recent events, and then into media share. Now when you're in here, this will show you all of these. So if we want to add media, I'm just going to post a link to the video, and then I'm going to change it to start time and say 30 seconds. So now as you can see, this is that. And then you can come into here like autoplay and stuff like that. Yeah, you can kind of play around with these if you want. The same with your normal settings. So this is the screen we were on before. So just things of like all of these you can play. Oh, it's because I scrolled. Yeah, all of these you can play around with. So you can change your color and your progress bar text color. So I'll show you what is the progress bar text color and things like that. So now we've got all these settings, and you just want to click save settings and then go into your Streamlabs. Now when you're in here, you want to add new source and go into media share. Now we add this, we're just going to put it as media share. It brings up the media share stuff. So these are all our settings that we've played around with before. And then, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it down near the bottom. I'm going to have it smaller, but you can also set up another one dedicated for this, or you can set up another bit in here, and then yeah, so you've got this now. So now if I go back into this and go into recent events, media share, and now we've got this. So once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to click show video, and that will come up with it. And now in here, this is showing, and it also has the title and how far into the clip it's going to be. And now you want to just go on here and click play. And now this will be playing that video, and this is your progress bar as it said before, and we'll basically just show that. You can set it so if you click hide video, you can carry on playing it so it only does the audio. And you can also play around with these if you want. So say if you don't want it to be moderated, you can click deactivate moderation and things like that. And then yeah, this will be here. If you do have something that needs to be moderated and you need to get it off your screen, then you can come onto here and just click remove, and then remove video. You can also ban it, but that's not necessarily needed. and you can also just skip through it. So if you have moderators, then this would be a good tool for them to use, where they can watch the clip of the video and then be like, okay, this is cool, we'll put it on the stream, and basically just filter through any inappropriate content that you don't want on there. Yeah, and then when there's nothing playing, this is just a clear screen. So yeah, thank you for watching. So first, before I leave, I just want to tell you about TubeBuddy. If you want to get more views on your videos, then you want to download TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension that will let you have a large amount of tools that will help you optimize your videos and boost your discoverability. So use my link below and download TubeBuddy, because why not? It's free and it could help you get that extra boost in the algorithm. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And if you enjoyed this, why not follow me on Twitch, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and get connected by joining the Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.